Stepping into the weekend with us, white rhinoceros. By merely looking at these creatures, one would argue that they are not white as their name. The early English settlers heard the Afrikaans calling them the wide-lipped rhino and misinterpreted that and thought they were trying to say white. And from there, the name the white rhinoceros was sailed into existence. A single white rhino calf is born after a gestation period of approximately 18 to 16 months. This calf then lactates for approximately 2 years. Although they will at times nibble on some grass, they are still highly dependent on mom's milk.